What's up, y'all? This is video number 2 for me, and I decided to do a nail video. Now, when I first tried to do videos, my videos were nail reviews or, what's on my nails for the next 2 weeks or whatever, and I deleted all that. I revamped my channel, and I'm starting all over, but I love nails. I particularly love long nails, but with my job and food service and, having to pick up boxes, break down boxes, I can't really have them too long, or otherwise I wouldn't have my job, and I need my job. So, yeah. Anyway, so yeah, this is a nail review. If you watch my other videos, you probably would have, my last ambition video, because I just got them done Monday. You see me waving my hands around or whatever, but not really focusing on my nails. But okay, this is, I always think with the camera it's the opposite, but this is my left hand. And I, this time, because I live in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and I go between two nail artists who are two beautiful, wonderful ladies. But this time I went to Danny, her name is Danielle, and she also goes by the Nail Artiste. I'm going to try to put her information down below, as well as I go to Amber, and her handle is iButter Nails, which both ladies do a beautiful job. So it's if I can't get in with one, I'll go to the other. And surprisingly enough, they're at where their businesses are, they're side by side. Amber has her shop, and then Danielle is right next door. So yeah, but yeah, my left hand. And she has different prices. She has a style sheet that she tells you to look through, and what I have is medium. These are medium length, and this is a basic art design. And with that, you get 4 designs. Freestyle art, or if you have something in mind, you let her know what you want. But anytime I go somewhere, I let the artist freestyle. Just whatever's on your mind, go for it. There are certain colors that I try to stay away from, but with what I'm gonna say next, that really doesn't matter, because 2 colors that I hate are white and pink. But when I give them free reign to do whatever they want, they get to choose the color, and I'm not mad at it. So it's a great design. I love the colors that she chose, but yeah, white and pink are 2 of my least. I do not like the colors. They're too girly for me. Pink is a color I have always hated. It's not my go-to. As you can see by my glasses, and in my other videos, I have a red wristband with my Apple Watch. Red is my favorite color, and I know pink is on the other color spectrum, pertaining to it. It's pink and then it goes shades of red, but I just can't stand it. But anyway, so it's the pinky and the thumbnail, they're just plain orange, and then let's see, you have the ring finger, which is like a French tip of blue, and then you see the pink goes on there, and then this is, it's just a little, I call it the Nike check mark, but it's dope. To be so simple, this is dope to me. And then the style of the nails is comic strip, old comic strip, but the pow, boom, and all that type of stuff. So this is just I would say if I was cussing, because I stay cussing. So, just the little explicit focus, camera focus. I don't see it focusing, but yeah, there's that. And then all I really want to see is the money. Money. Just the dope money sign. And then with my right hand, again, the pinky and the thumb are just orange, which I love this color. It's a bright color. I like this. And this is my favorite nail out of this whole set. Danny did her thing with this. It's just so dope. It's a mouth, but you got the gold dripping out. It's dope. So with the middle finger, it's the opposite of this, the ring finger. it's pink with the blue, and then we have the little check mark over here. And then I like this one as well because at the top, I don't think you can see it, but it says like "tuh," and yeah, I really like that. So yeah, these are my nails for the week, or the next 2 weeks, because I go back August 12th on a Monday. Yeah. So yeah, I love these, and I love any artist that has like fun ideas, because I don't want to see like the same lines and design. Like no. So yeah, I'm gonna tag both of those ladies and like put the links to their businesses down. So if you're in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and you want to get your nails done, see either one of those links. I support black businesses and I support my black women. So either one of them, I'm pretty sure there are plenty other, black male artists, but these are the two ladies. These are my two go-to ladies. So I'll drop their businesses down if you want to go check them out. And thanks for checking out my nails.